Harmonic mean. The harmonic mean between two non-zero numbers. Between two non-zero numbers A and B is formula 2AB divided by A plus B. Already you know that arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean formula? That is A plus B by 2. Between A and B only. Geometric mean, that is square root AB. Now time to discuss that harmonic mean. Harmonic mean means, what is the formula? 2AB divided by A plus B. Students, observe the difference. What is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean? Remember it. Okay, observe the difference and remember it. So what is harmonic mean means formula 2AB divided by A plus B. Here one example given. Harmonic mean between 2 and 3 is 12 by 5. How we got? Here A value is 2 and B value is 3. What is harmonic formula? Harmonic mean? Already you know very well. That is 2AB by A plus B. 2 into A means 2. B means 3 divided by A plus B, 2 plus 3. See, calculate here, 12 by 5. This is harmonic mean between 2 and 3. Okay, please copy this. And in between two numbers, we are inserted n harmonic means. N harmonic means between A and B. Those are x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn. x1, x2, x3, so on, xn are called n harmonic means between A and B. Here A, x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn comma B, those are in harmonic progression. Now see that formula. If x1, x2 and so on xn are n harmonic means between A and B, then how to find x1 value? x1 is equal to AB into n plus 1 by B into n plus 1 plus A minus B. And observe the x2. All terms are same except these two. 2 into A minus B. x3 means 3 into A minus B. xn means n into A minus B will come. Students, I think all of you understood now how to remember this. x1 means in front of A minus B is 1. Here is 2. Next 3 up to n. So remaining terms is same. Okay, please copy this. Next, what is the relation between arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean? Here already I am written clearly 3 formulas. Observe the relation between them. So by observing that, we will say arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean are in GP series. GP series means what is the condition? G square is equal to AH. And here remember it, arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. This relation is important. Either mains or advanced. Every year they are giving one question in this relation. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean related. And AGP are in HP. So G square is equal to AH. X2 is equal to AB into n plus 1 divided by B into n plus 1 plus 2 into A minus B. What happened, students? Why are you raising your hand? Okay. Now A value, B value, n value substitute here. Then we get the answer. What is A? 1 by 2. B 4 by 17. And n value is 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4 by 17 into 2 plus 1, that is 3 plus here 1 by 2 minus 4 by 17. Okay, so first I will do that x1. Numerator, see that 4 3s are 12 divided by 2 into 17. And denominator also LCM. 2 into 17 LCM. Here only 17 is there. We have to multiply with 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Plus here 17 minus 8. Now 2 into 17. 2 into 17 is going to cancel. Remaining is 12 by 17 minus 8. 9. 9 plus 24. 33. Now 3 4s are 3 11s. 4 by 11 is x1. And x1 and x2, what is the difference? Just only 2 now. I will write directly here, this step. 4 3s are 12 by 2 into 17 divided by, here also take the LCM, 2 into 17. Here will come 24 plus 2 into 17 minus 8. Just 2 is the difference. Now this 2 is cancelled. Now remaining 12 divided by 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 24. 42. 42. Now 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are, that is 2 by 7. So finally x2 value is 2 by 7. Now see the options, then you will understand which option is correct. Which option is correct? H1, H2 are two harmonic means between A comma B. Then H1 plus H2 divided by H1, H2. So here how many harmonic means are there? Two harmonic means. Already those values given. Now we can write like this. Now we can write A comma H1 comma H2 comma B. This is in HP series. Convert into AP series. Just write the reciprocal 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, comma 1 by B. Those are in AP series. We know that in AP series conditions, so many are there. One of the condition. The sum of first term, last term is equal to the sum of second term, last to second term. That means 1 by A plus 1 by B, that is equal to 1 by H1 plus 1 by H2. This is one property. Or suppose 3, 5, 7, 9, these are in AP series. Common difference is 2 only now. 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, that is equal to 5 plus 7 or not? 9 plus 3 means 12, 5 plus 7 also 12. This is one example. Anybody you are not understood, take the example, then you will understand. Now take the LCM here. We get A plus B by AB, that is equal to H1 plus H2 divided by H1, H2. Now see the question, what they are asking. What they are asking, see, H1 plus H2 by H1, H2. That value should be A plus B by AB. Which option is correct? How to do this? This is a previous mains question. Let A1, A2, A3 and so on A10 be in AP. H1, H2 and so on H10 be in HT. Option wrong. Conditions are there. First we can sort out them. First here AP series, HP series. Two types of relations are there. Separate them first. In AP series, first term is small a, common difference is small d. Here you can take capital A, capital D. Here A comma D, small letters. Here capital A, capital D. Now see here A1, A2 and so on. A10. These are in AP series. What is A1 value? A1 is 2 given. This is first term. And A10 given. What is A10? Tell me. 3. AN. What is AN formula? Nth term. A plus N minus 1 into D. This is nth term in AP series formula. Okay. A10 means how to write? A means first term. 2 plus 9D, that is equal to 3. What is 9D? 1. What is D? 1 by 9. So we got D value 1 by 9 and A value is 2. A means first term. This is first term. What we need to find? A4. How to find A4? Tell me, students. A4 formula. A plus 4 minus 1, that is 3, 3D. A value is 2 plus 3 into D. D is 1 by 9. Now calculate this. 3 3s are 9. Totally 7 by 3. This is A4. Okay. These are in AP series. Now go to HP series. Now go to HP series. What is H1? 2. What is H10? That is 3. H10 means how to write? This is convert, this is HP. Convert into AP. What we get? H10 is equal to 1 by 3. This is in AP series. Okay. Now common first term is A. 1 by A reciprocal now plus 9 into D. 9 into D. D we can write here. 9D. That is equal to 1 by 3. What is 1 by A value? Tell me. A value is 2 given. That is HP series. Here we can take 1 by A. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 9D. That is equal to 1 by 3. Calculate this 9D. So here also we can take 1 by D. 1 by D. Because 1 by A I am written. So take 1 by D. 1 by D. That is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM. 9 into 1 by D. That is what? 6. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now 1 by D is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 54. This is. Now we need to find what? H7. H7. H7 is equal to 1 by A plus 7 minus 1, 6 into 1 by D. 1 by A means that is 1 by 2 plus 6 into minus 1 by 54. 6 nines are 54. What is LCM? 18. 9 minus 2. How much we get? Finally, H7 value, that is 7 by 18. Okay. A4 value is 7 by 3. But they are asking A4 into H7. That is 7 by 3 into 7 by. This is in AP series now. So convert into HP. H7 is equal to 18 by 7 in HP. So here we can write 18 by 7. What is the answer? 6. A4 into H7. Answer is 6.